All right, this is the cloud chamber kit that we got information at the Texas workshop on how to request one of these kits from the American Nuclear Society. And I gotta say, it's really good. I mean, they have gloves, they have 4 of these chambers and trays to put the dry ice on. They have flashlights with batteries, 4 flashlights with batteries, bottles for the alcohol, the foam that you put in the chamber so that you can or get the alcohol, saturate it with alcohol by this. And then they also give you source. They give you the lantern mantles. And see if I can get my flashlight. I have a cloud chamber going, and you can see the tracks. Not bad. I made a little wire holder for the source, but pretty obvious tracks. Pretty good. All right, I thought I'd share. If you haven't requested your kit, I highly recommend it.